Hi everyone, let's talk about your initial post to the 3-2 discussion board. So here's your prompt for your initial post to this week's discussion board. The directions ask you to provide a link to your chosen ad, or you can just paste the image into your discussion post if you would rather that. Then you will be discussing and describing your emotions as you watch the ad. How did the ad make you feel? What did the ad make you think about? You will also need to reply to the following questions. What about the advertisements made you curious, shocked, or interested in taking a closer look? So what did you see in this ad that drew you to it? Be specific. How do the ads appeal or not appeal to your identity as an individual or as part of a larger society and culture to draw your interest? Now, you can be sure that you're giving enough information and answering all the questions for all 4 of your ads if you do it as separate sections or separate paragraphs for each of your 4 ads. This will be really beneficial in making sure that you've hit on everything with all 4. And you can actually take a look at the sample post that is in the week 3 discussion board. One of the key things to remember, you are discussing all 4 of your ads. And as I said, setting it up this way, you can make sure that you're giving adequate information for each ad and you're not missing answering one of those questions for one of your ads. So please remember that your initial post is due by 11:59 p.m. in your time zone on Thursday. And if you have any questions, you can always post them to the general questions discussion board, or you can send me an email. Have a great rest of your week, and thanks for watching.